Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Winter 2022 Eczema Sample Store unboxing. Oop, I have it upside down here. I seriously love this subscription. I've been getting it for a while now and it is amazing for me and my sensitive eczema prone skin. So it's a quarterly subscription box that is seasonally relevant for products that will really help with eczema, sensitive skin, all of that. And I feel like this seriously comes at the perfect time every season because that's about when I'll get an eczema breakout. And I recently had a really bad eczema breakout all over my cheeks, and my cheeks were so bumpy and itchy and I was having so much inflammation. And I thought, I hope I get an eczema sample store box soon because those products seriously help get rid of any eczema breakouts and rashes. And then lo and behold, this arrives. So it really is perfect to be seasonal because whenever I start to have a breakout, I know I have it under control with the products I get in this box. And you get a lot of products in here. So I'm really excited to show you everything that's in this box. But I should let you know that the quarterly subscription box cost $45 and there is so much value in here. So let's go ahead and get into it. See, there is so much in here. First, we've got some water wipes. Oh, for babies, so cute. 99.9% water and a drop of fruit extract. Wow, very pure wipes. Cool. I'm glad those exist for babies' sensitive skin. Oh, next up is some sunscreen. This is the Blue Lizard Australian Sunscreen 50+, which I love to see. UVA, UVB protection for sensitive skin. Sunscreen is so important. Of course, you cannot be without sunscreen, but I love that they make sunscreens like this for people that have the very sensitive skin because some sunscreens can be very irritating. And these are perfect travel packs as well. I realized I don't have really very many travel-sized sunscreens like that you can get in a carry-on, that you can fit in a carry-on. So I love to see little packets like this for travel. Next up, ooh, Dr. Paw Paw Original Balm. I have tried out a balm from this brand before. I don't think I was super impressed by it, but I love trying out different lip balms. So it's a multi-purpose soothing balm using papaya fruit. A hydrating, nourishing balm for lips, skin, cuticles, and many more uses. Yeah, I love the sound of this. I love a multi-use balm. So I'll probably try this out in a dedicated review video as part of my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Next up, ooh, I think this is a full-size product from the brand Derma E. I like this brand, and it's Eczema Relief Cream. Perfect, so explanatory. It has neem, burdock, and bearberry extracts. I have not heard of any of those things. For dry skin symptoms associated with psoriasis and eczema. So cool. I didn't even know Derma E had a eczema line of products. Wow. This is a great size. Oh my gosh. See, this is a product that I'm just so glad to have on hand for when I need it. And it's just this great peace of mind knowing that I'm prepared now for an eczema breakout, which really is so terrible. Oh, this is so cute and a little bit of a different type of product to get in here. It's Gia and Jumbo 100% naturally organic bamboo washcloth. So cool. Naturally antibacterial and hypoallergenic. Machine washable. It is so soft, like the softest terry cloth I have ever felt. Ooh, that's so nice. Oh, I love this product here, and I've actually been needing to get a new one. The Vaseline Petroleum Jelly Original Blue Seal. And just growing up, I was always using Vaseline for my eczema breakouts, my dry skin. It was a real multi-use product for me basically my entire life. I love Vaseline. Next, from the brand Cetaphil. I love this brand as well. This is healing ointment, skin protectant, dry, chapped, and irritated skin. So I think this is going to be similar use to what I would use a Vaseline for. Awesome. Protects and relieves, free of mineral oil, lanolin, preservatives, and fragrance. Needs to be fragrance free for my eczema products. Next up, from Dove, Sensitive Skin Soap Bar. This is a classic. Fragrance free, hypoallergenic, moisturizing, perfect for eczema prone skin. And then, ooh, this is great. I have not seen this before, I don't think. Sensitive Home Free and Clear Dish Soap. See, that's something I don't even really think about is the dish soap. Like when you're hand washing dishes, if it has fragrance or irritating products, it could really activate eczema and dry, sensitive skin on the hands. So this is so great to see. Wipes out grease, hypoallergenic, no dyes. I am really excited to try this out. And then we also got from the brand La Roche-Posay, Lippy Car Balm Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. This is also, like, a lot of these products have the eczema, National Eczema Association little seal on it, and that is so great to see that that even exists. So little sample size here. Oh, so this is just like a face moisturizer, which sounds really nice. And then we've got some more little samples in here. Oh, we've got some CeraVe hydrating cleansers, 2 of them. Great little travel size products to bring with you. It's for normal and dry skin. It hydrates as it cleanses, non-comedogenic, which is great. This is definitely something I would personally want to bring with me when I was traveling, because then if I did get an eczema breakout or my skin became really sensitive, which can definitely happen to me on vacation once I start, eating and drinking more, and it just kind of makes me get inflammation, having this cleanser with me is going to be perfect, because whether I'm having an eczema breakout or not, it's going to be a great cleanser for my skin. Here we have another great trusted skincare brand, Eucerin. This is the Original Healing Lotion, and it's fragrance-free, emollient enriched. It says it seals in moisture to help protect and heal extremely dry, compromised skin. Another perfect travel size to bring along on vacation for just exactly what I was talking about, any inflammation on my skin. And then we got some lip balms here. I love lip balms. We've got the Burt's Bees Rescue Balm with turmeric, unscented. I've tried this before. I think it's great. I love Burt's Bees. So many great, well-known, trusted brands in this box, and full-size products for some of them too. And then this sounds familiar, but I don't think I've tried this brand before. It's called Humble, and it's the unscented lip balm. Nourish and moisturize naturally. Nothing bad. Small batch crafted, humble hands. This is so cool. Certified organic. Ooh, I love to see products like this. So cool. So this I could try out in a dedicated review video as well. So seriously, isn't that so many products? I am so excited about what I have in here. I feel just so prepared to handle any eczema breakouts, dry skin in general, just associated with the winter. So this is seriously such a stocked, awesome box. And for only $45 or less, if you use a discount code, which I can put in the description down below, or sign up for the annual subscription as well. So one other thing I want to mention is that there is a little product card here with this QR code, and it'll take you to the Eczema Sample Store website, which I highly recommend. It's such a great website with so many resources, so helpful. So it has more information, directions, all of that on all of the products that came in this box right on the website. So if you deal with eczema or rashes, sensitive skin, anything like that, I would love to hear in the comments down below, what are your go-to favorite products to help you with those types of breakouts? But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video.